Libraries are in the business of doing good things for the community. Sustainability, as far as our building goes, is just one aspect of that.
When we moved into this building in 2013, I was replacing fluorescent lights, 5 or 6 a day. They were burning out, they were actually cracking and exploding. And I was constantly getting emails from staff about how dark it was in certain areas. So we decided that we were going to look into an LED upgrade.
At Verde, we work together with the facility manager and the library director to identify areas for improvement in terms of energy efficiency. There is funding available for public facilities to implement energy efficiency projects through local utilities. And at Verde, we take care of that process on the back end. We streamline the paperwork, claim the incentives through the local utilities so that we can implement the energy efficiency project at the library. When we implement these energy efficiency projects, we often see a high payback in terms of energy savings, which directly benefits the taxpayers of the community.
Having good lighting that looks good and also is cost effective, that also then allows us to use more of our monies to do other things, programming, materials, downloadables, streaming, all the other things we can do when we're not putting money into lighting or heating or those kinds of things.
Maintenance-wise, the Verde retrofit kits have saved me a ton of time. I can concentrate on other things that need to be done prior to the library opening. I don't have to worry about changing ballasts or light bulbs or climbing up on ladders. The overall response has been wonderful. Everybody likes them. It's a cleaner look. Everybody leaves here in a bright parking lot. It's not dark at night. To me, it's a win-win situation. Our energy costs have gone down.
The better the lighting, the better it is for the patrons. The better it is for staff too. Makes it easier for everybody. We want to have something that's going to be good for the community, good for the future of the community, and I guess that's what our mission is to bring things to our community that are good for them.